So guys, pretty crazy news. I'm actually picking up a pair of sneakers at the airport. Oh, fire, man. Thank you so much. So huge shout out to my friend David for hooking me up with these off-white ones. It's crazy, he delivered them to the airport. I'm headed to LA right now. And I just didn't think they were gonna get in on time for a review. And they did, which is crazy. Seriously, huge shout out to him for driving all the way from his house as soon as they got delivered. It's awesome.
It was really designed at the end of the day. I really love the way things look. I really love the way things function.
As far as like making YouTube content, for me, it was always about like helping people out, adding value, giving tips and advice.
What would you say has been useful in terms of using YouTube to kind of build your marketing and everything else like that?
It's one of those things that, like you said, you can really just post a video whenever you want, and it's free for everyone. So anyone with a voice can really have that chance to project it, which I think is really cool. Especially with like what we do, you know, we're able to, with things coming out like every other day, like you got a new pair of sneakers, or you got some new fashion dropping, you can literally turn around a video instantly, and that's what really makes you more relevant than some of the other like publications out there, because you have that power and that instant turn.
So I just finished my panel at University of California, Riverside. I forgot my microphone, so the audio is probably just total trash. But it was a really great time. I met a lot of really great people. It was great for everyone who came out. Thank you guys so much for coming out. So,
Yeah, it was fun.
It was dope. It was a really good time. What'd you think?
First time meeting Seth, actually, but big fan of him for a while now. And I've always said, really good speaker when you're on the camera, man.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much,
StockX
man.
sends me his example videos to try to mimic. So, shout out to Seth.
Thank you, man. It's day 3 of our California trip, and today we're actually gonna go check out the Soul Brothers place. I'm really excited to see what they've got going on. I think in particular we're gonna see Sam, see how he's doing. I'm really stoked to see how they get everything put together, because they do some really excellent performance basketball sneaker reviews, but I'm really excited to see their workflow and how they get things done. So let's go do it. So guys, we're at the outlets right now with the one and only Sam from the Soul Brothers.
What's up?
So we figured we'd do some sneaker shopping today.
Yep.
I'm stoked. Thank you so much, Sammy, for hanging out today. Appreciate it.
See you guys next one.
Yeah, definitely. Pleasure. This is the last day. We're on Melrose doing some shopping. I was gonna do some sneaker shopping, and I went into a lot of the stores like Flight Club and Bait, and they're all great places, but honestly, I didn't really see anything I wanted, so I'm not gonna put any of those sections in the video. So we're pretty much rounding off the last day at Venice Beach, which is a beautiful place, for sure. Jasper showed us around, a friend of mine from college. And of course Jordan, you guys all know Jordan. I know this wasn't really a sneaker vlog like some of the previous vlogs, but it's a vacation vlog, and I feel like that's more interesting sometimes. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Slap a like on it.